Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Kraken app. Kraken is a secure crypto exchange that requires email verification and ID verification to create an account. First of all, download and install Kraken application from your Google Play Store or your App Store and launch it open. From the first interface of Kraken, go ahead and select Create Account at the bottom right. On the next page, enter an email address that you'd like to use and register for Kraken. After typing down an email, if you've got an invitation code, tap on Add Invite Code and type it down. Once you are done, click Continue. On the next page, create a unique password for your Kraken wallet. After typing down the password, click on Continue. And on the next page, select your country that you primarily reside in. Now click Continue once again. And on the next page, verify your new email address. Enter the confirmation code that you received via email. Go open up your email inbox and launch open the email from Kraken. Copy the code inside it or simply paste it down inside the Kraken wallet app. After typing it down, you'll be taken to the next page. You can now set up your watch list, allow necessary permissions such as notification and add a phone number. Now you'll need to verify your ID. Go ahead and enter your legal first name and then your surname and click Continue. On the next page, enter your date of birth information. Enter your address information. Select your employment status, answer some of the questions such as which industry best matches your line of work, and soon after you do that, you will be able to complete your setup. To deposit, withdraw or trade, Kraken requires identity verification, so if you haven't completed your account setup, you'll need to complete it first. You can come back to your Kraken app and tap on the Verify Identity button at the very top and complete your account setup whenever you want if you haven't already. So after the verification is complete, you can deposit money, buy crypto, trade, or withdraw funds. So that is how you can easily create a new account on Kraken app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.